All right, let's look at this following difference quotient problem. All right, so let's say you have a function given, f of x equals 1 plus 4x minus x squared, and we want to find this following difference quotient, which is f of 3 plus h minus f of 3 over h. All right, so let's do that. All right, so we can do it all at once, or we can do it separately. Maybe I'll do it separately. So we need to find f of 3 plus h, right? So 3 plus h right here. All right, so all you have to do is every time you see x in the formula of f, we're going to put 3 plus h in it. All right, so you have a 1, so 1's 1, and 4's 4. All right, now I have x here, so we put 3 plus h. Make sure to put the parentheses because 4 applies to both terms, and a minus sign, and then here is x, so you have 3 plus h, and then you have to square the whole quantity there. All right, so let's multiply out. All right, so this is going to be 1, and I'm going to distribute 4 to 3 and h. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 4 times h is obviously 4h. And a minus, all right, then you have to square this, right? So I'm going to use a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. So 3 squared would be 9, plus 2 times 3 times h is 6h, and plus h squared. All right, so let's clean this up a little bit. All right, first I'm going to collect all the constant term. So you have here is 1, and here is 12, so that's 13. And then you're subtracting 9 from it, so it's going to be 4. So this is going to be equal to 4, right? And then let's collect the h term. So you have a 4h here minus 6h. So that's negative 2h. So we're going to put the minus 2h, right? Then you have last one. Let's see, it's a negative h squared. So it's going to be minus h squared. All right, so we got that. All right, let's find the, so we're going to need f of 3 as well. So we're going to put f of 3. All right, this time we're going to replace x by 3. So you have 1 plus 4 times 3 minus 3 squared. So which is going to be, let's see, 1 plus 4 times 3 is 12 minus 9. So you have 13 minus 9, so it's going to be 4. All right, then I think we're ready to compute the difference quotient here. All right, so we have all the ingredients. I'm too lazy. Can I just go up here? All right. So we have f of 3 plus h. So that came out to be 4 minus 2h minus h squared. All right, minus f of 3 came out to be 4. And then divided by h. All right. So we can cancel 4 and 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. And then luckily, you can see that there are 2 terms left over on top. You can see that here's 2h, negative 2h and negative h squared. So since both of them has h as a common factor, so I'm going to pull h out, right? So if you pull h from negative 2h, so you're going to have negative 2 left over, right? Then if you pull h from negative h squared, you have another h, negative h, left over. And then divide by h, right? So you can see a common factor h on top and bottom, so we can cancel them out. So it comes out to be negative 2 minus h. All right? So that's the simplified difference quotient. All right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.